Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Huawei Mate 20X and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. We start off opening our calendar application. When we open it, tap on day when we want add our event, maybe 29, and there this plus icon. First step, you can add title of your event, there we can add location of that. Now by this switch we can set it will be all day event, or we can set in which time in this day event starts and finish. Repeat of that if we need it, when we needed it, we can click never. Reminder about this event and you can add more than one and set what you want. There we can set it will be important event. In this part we can set this event about what is it, about our work, family or something like that, description to that, and we can set it will be important date also, and there we have some settings. When we have all we need, we press this icon to save it, and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.